Studio Arde is a Barcelona-based creative studio that specializes in graphic design and branding, crafting unique and impactful designs for businesses and brands. Let's explore the world of Studio Arde and all it has to captivate us.
We are Flor and Paula. We met at the University of Design in Argentina, and we reunited in Barcelona after several years. This reunion was inspiring, and it motivated us to create a space where we could share our visions and concerns about art, fashion, music, and to have fun working with what we love the most, designing and illustrating. At Arde, we create textile products that stand out for the quality of printing, color, and visual composition. We started by producing beach sarongs, then added scarves, and with our third collection, we launched our clothing line.
Oh.
Let's not forget about our fine art prints. In Arde, we embrace the concept of responsibility and incorporate the notion of conscious design. 90% of our products are designed and manufactured in Spain. We work with local workshops and promote fair labor conditions. We design our collection with the aim of maximizing fabric usage. Reuse waste paper from the printing process as packaging for our products. We approach sustainability with the idea of less is more, in an attempt to minimize our environmental impact. Since our beginning, our clients have contacted us from different parts of Europe in search of a more colorful and sustainable life. Arde started as a B2B brand because we believe it's the way to expand our message and reach as many corners as possible. Do you dare to join this colorful club?
Today we have with us Maria Florencia Mazzucco, co-founder of Studio Arte. Hello, Maria. How are you doing?
Hello.
Welcome to our set of interviews. We are very happy to have you here. We would like to know about your brand. What did come out to create this Studio Arte project?
Studio Arde was born from a reunion. Paula, my partner, and I, we met at the university. We could reconnect here in Barcelona after several years. We both have experience in different areas of fashion, but when we connect, we realize we both share our desire to create something different in this new country. So Studio Arde for us is a place where we can share our visions and concerns about music, fashion, art, and a place where we can work doing what we love most, which is designing and illustrating.
So we can tell that you have brought a little bit of Argentina to Barcelona. I hope the city is treating you well. You will tell me about it.
Yes.
Now I want to ask you about the philosophy, the working philosophy of Studio Arde regarding collaborations and teamwork.
In Studio Arde, we are always open to collaborations. In the short time we've been working, we have already made 3 collaborations. The first one was with an accessory brand called Morgana Sanderson, for whom we redesigned one of our scarves. Last year, we made a collaboration with the girl from Rayleigh Studio, a bag brand. This collaboration was especially for us because it burned out of the necessity to use one of our fabric we have with printing defect. So we partnership with them to create a fanny pack. And the most recent is with a brand called Lev. This brand is also presenting in the Fashion Connect. And for Carol, we designed a special pattern for her pyjama lines. A part of this specific product development collaboration, we had made marketing actions with different brands and artists. And for us, collaborations is really important because they take us out from the daily routine and bring us to a much more happy place, which sometimes it gets lost with so much work. So collaboration and capsules are an important part of our agenda.
Yeah, I think we agree that collaborations with other companies always offer strategic advantages. Tell us more about the brand. Is it designed and produced under the same roof? Where do you do all the work? And how important is environment respect for it?
We embrace the concept of responsibility, and we incorporate the notion of conscious design. 90% of our products are manufactured in Spain. We work with local workshops. We design our collection in base of the weight of the fabrics. For example, our scarves, they came in 3 different sizes to use all the weight of the fabric, so the waste is zero. We reuse the waste paper from the printing process to create our packaging, and of course we made product with long lasting. We made long lasting products. Um, we are really conscious about the impact of our decisions, and we always keep in mind the vision of generating the least environment impact as possible.
Yeah, the smaller the carbon footprint is, the better.
Yeah.
We all have a responsibility in that, and we all have to collaborate a bit. Tell us about how would you describe the aesthetic of your work and your illustrations?
Well, the aesthetic approach of Arde is vibrant, fun, full of energy, like summer. We love colorful lifestyle, and we try to express this through our design. So we create products with simple typologies where the focus is in the print and the color. Paula, the illustrator, she lived and worked several years in Brazil, and this experience is an important part of the aesthetic of the brand.
Yes, browsing in your website, you can see that we find a very colorful prints
Yeah.
and very happy illustrations. Tell us about the market. What are the major markets for Studio Arde, and what plans do you have to expand in them?
Well, since the beginning, almost without looking for it, our clients contact us from different parts of the world, like New York, Germany, Greece, French. So Arde was born like an international brand. Our approach to enter to new markets is based on developing a partnership with strategic allies like showrooms or commercial agents that can represent us in reaching potential clients and participating in trade fairs. A year and a half ago, we started working with a commercial in France. And through this experience, we aim a better understanding of how our sales work and how commercial agents operate in Europe. So, based on this experience, we will initially want to start offering our accessory lines, which is based on scarves and sarongs. And the next step would be to add our clothing line. Um, at last but not least, as you can see, we are deeply in love of our brand. We are convinced that our products work because it sells very well with minimal effort. So I hope there's somebody out there who will love our brand as much as we do and will be excited to join us.
I'm sure it will be. Thank you,
Thank
Maria,
you
so
very
much.
much.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you for introducing your brand to us. It's very interesting that Studio Arde is in this edition of the 080 Barcelona Fashion Connect.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
and we wish you the best of luck.